Meaning of dicotyledon.
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 Dicotyledon. Dicotyledon, or dicot for short, is a term used to describe a type of flowering plant. The name refers to the fact that these plants typically have two embryonic leaves, also known as cotyledons, when they first sprout from a seed. Dicots are an important group of plants, comprising roughly 200,000 species, and are often characterized by having branched leaf veins, flower parts in multiples of 4 or 5, and a taproot system. They include many popular plants such as roses, sunflowers, and beans, and are essential to ecosystems around the world.